How many sauce do you guys like? 2?
One more.
Okay. One more. It's a really cool coffee shop. Thank you, Sean, for introducing us. If you guys like our music, we have some records available.
Do you have them with you?
Yeah.
Those 2 songs we just
Oh no,
played.
not mine. I call them records. I got to send you CDs.
Do you have any cassette tapes available?
The singles.
Yeah, we have a single and an EP. We just played a short set and did an interview on my brother's radio show on WNUA. None of you probably know about it because it's on Wednesday nights from 2 to 4 a.m. But it's called Connor's Corner and you should check it out.
Thanks, Sean.
He's doing a series right now on Rory Gallagher, who's a kind of little known to some Irish blues legend, if you've ever heard of such a thing. Yeah, you should check it out. He's a good radio show guy. It's nice to play in.
No, I got in trouble because I was ruining all my clothing. I was putting it on the ground.
Thank you.